Mutongoi wa chama cha ODM Raila Odinga Eweta Kana Kitumi Kinene cha Kuema Kuvika Kisioni cha Kamukunji Undu Eewetete Kulilikana Maandamano ma Saba Saba ni kwa Kwithiwa Maovisa Volisi Nimavingie Malelu Onthe Melekele Kisioni kiu na Nduuthi ila Syakusiiwa Raila ona Wiovo Aineena Mukaawani Umwe Musyini wa Ilovi niwendekethia vasyogwe nzama ila Eewetete vamwe zeika kana meika kivathukanio kunananisya mawendi ma mwene nthi ona ingi ya kuete mawali kumuveani wa Volisi. Joseph Kitheka ena Maovisa.
Ladies and gentlemen of the press,
Aineena Mukaawani Umwe Musyini wa Ilovi Raila niwendekethia yuvethiwe na unenania wa kuete vamwe yika yonthe kunenanisya maundu kauta ala meonekana ta momokeletie mute wa miatianio yivo maundu ma ukwati na muiyo munene wa mikalile.
I envisage comes up with better and sustainable ways for addressing transparency, accountability and impunity, especially with regard to corruption, and ensuring that leaders are held accountable for their actions. I propose that the forum comes up with a comprehensive and sustainable strategy for addressing youth unemployment and expansion of opportunities for youth in the formal and informal sectors. Such a national conclave must have clear terms of reference and be populated and helmed by the most serious and sober minds in our nation. The proceeds of the national dialogue be subjected to a referendum.
Raila nola evaniwa kuvika kiwanzani Kinene cha Kamukunji Undu Eewetete kulilikana muthenya wa Saba Saba ndaneka uwetina wa kueta kana undu usu nuvunyenguka nundu wa kwithiwa Malelu Onthe Musyini wa Ilovi ta mevingirwo kethia ndaviki cha vunate imake.
Yesterday I did give an interview with the media and said that today, the 35th anniversary of Saba Saba, I was going to go to Kamukunji to join other Kenyans in commemorating this very important day. Unfortunately, as you all know, circumstances, today the roadblocks all over town, which has made it difficult for people to move to Kamukunji. In the circumstances, I've decided therefore to talk to the media here at Serena.
Niwendekethia ingi yukwithiwe na mawali okumuveani wa Volisi itina wa kwithiwa kwithitu na sieko sia Volisi kutumia vinya mwingi muno miatianioni ya muika a Eweta kana Volisi wea wayo walite ithano kusesea mali ya mwene nthi na mathayu hinditi kumekea Musyini.
I propose that the country urgently returns to the agenda of comprehensive police reforms, focusing on enhancing accountability, transparency, and improving the police-to-people relationship. Your rogue police force that shoots people with impunity. And this is a force that we inherited from the colonialists. It has not been reformed to become a people's defender, a people's servant.
Muthenya wa Saba Saba wambiye mwaini wa Monza mwakani wa 1990 kavindani kala Kenya vindani yuma likile Malelu ni kukitia uthasyo wa syama mbingi va Kenya undu usu ilazimithia President Mutotia Daniel Moi kuvetanga mwiaula wa kunite mungu kwithiwa na syama mbingi va Kenya.
Thank you.
Joseph Kitheka Vlingi wa Maovisa, Mutongoi TV.